Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate your bread just a little bit, because honestly bread doesn't need any elevation in my book. But today we're going to make a delicious dipping sauce. My favorite thing about going to Italian restaurants, especially like the really authentic ones, they give you the olive oil dipping sauce and you can dip your warm bread in it, and it's like I could devour that in no time. So I wanted to recreate it at home, and I think I did it. So actually, I don't think, I know I did it. So I want to share that with you because it's absolutely delicious. If you're having like a dinner party, or if you're home alone on a Tuesday and want a nice little snack, make yourself some olive oil dipping sauce for your bread. It's divine, chef's kiss. So let's get started.